Hey everyone, welcome back to the Scale Model Experiment. This week I did some painting on the 70 Roadrunner project. Let me show you what I've done so far. Holy cow, James, you're almost done with this model. Far from it. So, body looks really good. Clear coat came out real nice. This is 2 thin coats. I did get some dust in it. You can see the little dusty spots. I need to polish that out. Looks good. I do need to paint this white since the interior will be white. Do the blackout all through here, so that when you look from underneath the car, you won't see, overspray and all that good stuff. So, and then I will do the hood blackout stripes, mask off, and do all of the trim. Did I tell you guys? I'm gonna try this mirror chrome instead of doing bare metal foil. I'm excited to try this. So then the body will be done. I'll put the decals on it. I do have the new decal sheet from the new kit. So I'm gonna try and use these instead of the old Keith Marks decals that I had. Let's go on to what I've worked on the rest. Like I said before, I'm going with the white interior. So I did the white, masked off the black. I'll do flocking, I'll mask off the carpet matte. See-through white, I need to do the chrome strip here and detail out these little buttons. Dashboard, put the decals on, detail out that. Steering wheel, this the horn button needs to be silver. The door panels, I did do the Panther pink across the top. I'll put chrome strips here and chrome strip here. Detail out the wiper arm, the roll down window. The door lock around the armrest is chrome as well. So I'll detail paint that. I need to paint this chrome and then detail it out with brown and black. The engine, I used Model Master Sunburst. It's a good pumpkin orange and it's very close to a Hemi orange. So I used that, and since it's an enamel, it's got a nice little shine to it. This is metallic gray on the transmission. I did the engine lid, so I need to mask off and do the white and then the black. These are Tamiya Gold Leaf. You won't see much of it, so I wasn't too worried about it. Distributor just got to be aluminum here, and I'll paint that leather, so it'll be brown. Flat black, and then I'll do gloss black for the pulleys. The fan, the clutch needs to be painted in aluminum. So I'll do that. These are metallic gray. And you notice I did cut those off for the exhaust system. This is gold leaf and black. Makes a nice cosmoline finish. So I think I'm going to do this in a gloss black. Just maybe shoot clear over the whole thing and then detail out all of this linkage. Rear end, the center section will be glossed. These will be flattened. So it'll be sort of a flattish black and a gloss black. And I'll detail out the bolts and the part that holds the springs together. I can't remember what that's called. Brake booster needs to be black, but I'm going to detail this out with a cast gray and gold for the lid and silver for the top of it. Exhaust is pretty much done. I'm going to do the tips in chrome. The seam hid pretty good. You can still kind of see it, but it's not bad. So that's pretty much done. The chassis, I did overspray. It took about 3 coats to get to the same color as the body. I will paint this silver, and I will run some flat black through the wheel wells and through the bottom of here as well, flat black. The transmission cross member needs to be black, but for the most part that's pretty much done. Drive shaft, I'll detail that out with some black, some little wash here and there. The wheel backs are black on one side for the outside facing, but the inside facing are red, and they will show through the holes that I cut in the Magnum 500s. Speaking of the Magnum 500s, these still need to be chromed and then detail painted out with the black. I'll use the chrome paint for that as well. Front grille needs to be a metallic gray and aluminum. So there's really no chrome except for the outlines of the headlight buckets. This is the front bumper. The bumper guards need to be black. Detail out the lights and paint the back black. So I think I'm about 50% done with this project. Looks like I have a lot done, but I sure have a lot left to do. So this is going to be the last video that I show before the January 15th final reveal. On January 15th, I'll do a recap of all the videos that I posted so far and do final assembly through the whole car, then show off the finished project. So until then, I may start something else because I can't just work on this. I can't just work on just one project. So until January 15th, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. You still here? Go ahead and watch the next video. Hit the subscribe button.